Now coming outside, so all this area will be paved for parking, and in the back over there on the right, everything has been cleaned up. Trees have been planted on the side. You can see over there where there used to be all these shrubs and grass, overgrown grass. It has all been cleaned up, and lots of progress. All this takes time. The retaining wall was, I'm not sure when the retaining wall was done. I'm sure it was done earlier, but you can see that it's there and the trees have been planted alongside. I also walked towards the back, where hopefully at some point we can have a community garden. But this will be the garden area where we can have outdoor events and we can put up a tent. Lots of parking, plenty of parking space once this is all paved. And this is what it looks like.